Like and unlike terms. From this video, we will learn like and unlike terms. What are like and unlike terms? Children, so far we have read about terms of an expression. Let us now revise it through a tree diagram. Here, the expression 6y to the power 2x plus 3xy is formed by combining two terms, in which 6y to the power 2x is the first term and 3xy is the second term. In the expression 6y to the power 2x plus 3xy, the factors of 6y to the power of 2x are 6, y, y, x, and the factors of 3xy are 3, x, y. Here, the coefficient of x in the first term is 6y square and the coefficient of y is 6xy. In the second term, the coefficient of x is 3y and the coefficient of y is 3x. Let us now understand about like and unlike terms. Reena and Raj are two good friends and they have some toys. Raj has a total of 5 elephants, 2 lions and 3 horses. Similarly, Reena has 7 elephants, 1 lion and 3 rabbits. Divide the toys of both friends into like and unlike groups. To make an equal group, we will place the elephants of Reena and Raj in one place and, similarly, we will keep their lions in another place. Similarly, in order to make groups of the same kind, we have to place the rabbits and horses separately. Children, as you must have noticed, we have made groups of elephants with elephants and lions with lions because they are similar. Whereas rabbits and horses are not similar, so they have formed a separate group. Similarly, if the algebraic terms of any algebraic expressions are same, then they are called like terms. And if the algebraic factors of these terms are different, then they are called unlike terms. For example, identify the like and unlike terms in the following expression. 5x to the power 2 minus 3y to the power 2z minus 7x to the power 2 plus 5xy plus 4y to the power 2z minus 2xy plus 2ab. The factors of 5x square are 5xx. The factors of 3y square z are 3y, y, z. The factors of 7x square are 7x, x. The factors of 5xy are 5xy. The factors of 4y square z are 4y, y, z. The factors of 2xy are 2x, y, and the factors of 2ab are 2ab. So you can see that the algebraic factors of 5x square and 7x square are x, x, and the algebraic factors of 3y square z and 4y square z are y, y, z. And the algebraic factors of 5xy and 2xy are x, y. Because they are all similar, they are called like terms. The algebraic factors of 2ab are a, b. Since these factors are different, these terms are called unlike terms. Children, With the help of this video, you must have understood like and unlike terms. We will learn this topic in more detail with the help of some examples in the next video. Thank you. Like and unlike terms. Examples. Let us understand like and unlike terms with the help of some examples. Example 1. Ram and Shyam are childhood friends. Today, their mother sent them to the market to purchase some fresh vegetables. Let us see what have they purchased from the market. Ram bought 3 kg potatoes, 7 kg onions, 8 kg tomatoes, and Shyam purchased 4 kg potatoes, 2 kg tomatoes, and 3 kg lady's finger from the market.
Oh no, Ram, I forgot to bring a bag with me. There are so many articles. Where do I keep them?
Said Shyam in a worried tone to Ram. Ram replied, "You can keep your vegetables in my bag." So students, can you tell me in the bag which vegetables are like and which are unlike? Here, represent potatoes with A, onion with P, tomatoes with T, and lady's finger as B. Let us make groups of like things. In the bag, group of potatoes is equal to 3A, 4A. Group of tomatoes is equal to 8T, 2T. Similarly, let us make groups of unlike things. Group of onions is equal to 7P. Group of lady's finger is equal to 3B. So here we saw that there are similar groups like terms of potatoes and tomatoes, whereas onion and lady's fingers are non-similar groups unlike terms. Example 2. Look at the following and decide whether the terms are like terms or unlike terms. 6xz and 6x square z square. If we form the factors of these two terms, we will find that the factors of 6xz are 6x and z. Similarly, the factors of 6x square z square are 6xx z and z. Here the algebraic factors of both the terms are different from each other. Therefore, these two terms are unlike terms. With the help of these examples, we have learnt about like terms and unlike terms. We also learnt how to differentiate between them. In the next video, we will know about some misconceptions relating to the topic and will try to solve them. Thank you. Today we will see misconceptions of like and unlike terms. With the help of some examples, we have learnt about the mistakes that happen while solving questions related to like and unlike terms. Now let's see what are the common mistakes that happen while solving questions related to like and unlike terms. Identify the like terms in the following: 20xy, 10y raised to the power 3, 20zx. At times, we make the mistake of assuming that if the coefficient of two terms is same, then those terms will be similar. But this is not correct. It is a misconception. The terms whose variables are equal and not their coefficients are called like terms. In the given terms, the coefficient of 20xy and 20zx is same, but their variables are different. So, they are unlike terms. Now, if you look at them carefully, you will realize that the variables of the three terms are different. So, they all are unlike terms. Let us learn about one more misconception. Identify the like terms in the following: 7ab to the power 2c, 15b to the power 2ac, 3cab to the power 2. In the given terms, the factors of 7ab to the power 2c are 7a, b, b, c. And the factors of 15b to the power 2ac are 15, b, b, a, c. And the factors of 3cab to the power 2 are 3, c, a, b, b. It is important to note here that the variables of the three terms are AB, BC, but their order is different from one another. This means they are not written in proper order. As we know, terms with like variables are called like terms. Here, variables of all three terms are AB, BC, which are like or similar. Therefore, they all are like terms. Sometimes, children assume that like terms also have variables in the same order. But it is not necessarily so. Even if the variables of two terms are similar, but their order is not same, the terms will be considered as like terms. Today, we have learned the misconceptions related to like and unlike terms. We hope that by watching this video, the misconceptions about like and unlike terms are cleared, and you have a better understanding on like and unlike terms. Thank you.